Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by checking parts and filling the tank to the max line with hot tap water. This reduces heat-up time and mineral buildup. Once filled, attach the hose and cloth pad securely so steam flows through the nozzle without leaks. Plug the unit in and set a low heat setting. You want steady steam, not blasting. While it warms, score a small patch of wallpaper seam with a utility blade to allow steam penetration. This helps loosen adhesive efficiently. You apply steam systematically. Hold the pad about 6 to 8 centimeters from the wall, steaming each spot for 10 to 20 seconds so the adhesive softens without oversaturating the drywall. Once done, move in 30 to 40 centimeter vertical strips to keep progress tidy. After steaming, press firmly and peel the paper from the bottom upwards. If it resists, steam again briefly. Make sure to use a wide, shallow-angle scraper to lift softened paper without gouging the surface. You finish by wiping remaining adhesive with a damp sponge and letting the wall dry completely before priming or repainting. Moisture traps will show later if not dried. Empty and cool the steamer, then descale the tank monthly using 1 part white vinegar to 3 parts water to prevent clogging. If your steam output weakens during use, make sure the hose connects tightly and the pressure release isn't engaged. If the indicator shows low heat, allow extra.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.